welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing this gorgeous wig from XrsBeauty Hair. This is how the hair came in this beautiful box. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and honestly guys, I can't believe I actually installed this by myself. Like, you guys know I'm so rubbish at doing lace frontals on myself and doing my hair, so that's why I just stick with like 5x5s because it's so easy, or headband wigs because it's literally like so easy. I cannot believe like this was all my doing. Like, this looks like I went to get my hair done professionally, if I do say so myself. So I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. I thought to challenge myself even more by doing a style that's a little bit out of my not comfort zone, but just a little bit harder than the usual just straight in and curl. So I did a little half up, half down with a fringe, and I think it looks so freaking cute. I'm not the biggest fan of baby hair, so no baby hairs for me. I do have to give props to this lace. The lace is freaking 10 out of 10. This is clear lace by XrsBeauty. I'm gonna show you the difference between clear lace and HD lace. The girls up in the factories have stepped up, okay? HD lace is no longer the coolest thing. You guys need to get your hand on clear lace because this lace definitely helped with this install. So these are the two different laces. From the naked eye, you can't really see the difference, but this one is the clear lace and this one is the normal transparent lace. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them both on the back of my hand and spray, well maybe here actually so we can get more space, and spray some olive oil ORS spray and just show you the difference in the melt. So you can see that it's a pretty good melt. You can kind of still see the lace, but it still disappears into my skin. So this is the normal regular transparent lace, and this is the new clear lace. You guys can see how well that literally melts into my skin. You can't really see where the lace starts or stops, so this clear lace is the business, okay? I have to give it a 10 out of 10. It really helped me with my install, considering I'm not one to do my hair myself. I feel like it helped the blending process so much more. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look straight from the box, not touched, everything from 0 to 100 from the beginning to the end. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tutorial slash install my hair with me, because I'm still learning as well. So when you open the box, you get quite a few things in the box. Obviously you get the wig, which looks like this. Gorgeous chocolate brown color. I've used chocolate brown in the past before and I loved how it looked on me, so I'm excited to use this as well. And this lace is clear lace, so you can literally see right through the lace. You can see me through the lace, and the wig already comes pre-plucked, which is amazing because I am not very good at installing wigs myself, so anything to cut down work for myself. So pre-plucked, and the hairline is gorgeous. I've tried it on and it fits my head really, really good. Pre-made wigs normally don't really fit my hairline that well, but this one fits perfectly, so I'm excited about that. The construction of the wig is a few combs inside, and it also comes with an elastic band which is adjustable. So in the box you get like a little instruction manual. It shows you the difference between HD lace, which is this, and clear lace, which is this, which is the lace I'm going to be working with today. And then you get a wig cap, a wide tooth comb, and this is so old school. I haven't seen this in a long time, but just in case you might need them, you have some bendy rollers as well in case you don't want to use heat on your hair. Hey guys, so let's get started on this install. Like I said, I'm not one to be very good at installing hair myself, so I'm going to be following a tutorial by Demure. She is absolutely amazing at doing any installs. So I'm going to be following her skills and hopefully I get it right, fingers crossed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to XrsBeauty Hair for this beautiful wig, and I'll leave all the details down below if you want to purchase this wig for yourself, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.